With regards, sir, sa mga sinabi ni retired General Romeo Pokis, we would like to ask, sir, to address specific accusation. May mga sinabi siya na, ano ba to? Are we being turned into a launch pad for someone else's missiles, an unsinkable aircraft carrier in the Indo-Pacific? Na, ano daw, sir, let's not be another Ukraine. We just won on paper. Sir, can you address, sir, yung mga ganong remarks?
It has come to the attention of the leadership of the armed forces that some retired members of the AFP have been posting online some comments that we deem we have to address. First and foremost, those attributed to retired senior officers, that we are a pawn in a power play between the United States and China. Let this be very clear first and foremost. We are a sovereign state. We have our national interests. All the actions of the armed forces are in furtherance of this national interest. We will not fight for the interest of another country, nor will we be dictated by them. Standing up for our rights does not mean being subservient to the interest of another country. On being turned into another Ukraine, these statements are defeatist and alarmist. They send a wrong message, especially to the Filipino people and even to the former men and women of the armed forces who served under these retired senior officers. We expect more from them, more responsible statements that will show the strength of the country and not weaken our resolve as a people. It is a misleading statement to say that we are being turned into another Ukraine. We are not preparing the armed forces for offense. We are preparing the armed forces to defend what is legally and rightfully the Filipinos.